Hello, comrades. Today I'm back to this game. No. Okay. But wait a minute. Okay, but not put. Take the gold. Damn it. Multiplayer. Блять. Okay, where to go? Create the server. And here. Shit. Oh, or not. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna crash my car. Not that. Blink. Блять. Лори царапа вот вот. Лори царапа. Это Славекс. Passion Pass. Постингас. Блять. Go away. That's how toxic the players are here. Keep it. Okay. Just toxic players. Блин. Moses под Карном. Did not belong here. Okay. Just what is that? Jesus Christ, блять. Breaky. А, блядь. Okay. Oh, no, Chicky Breaky. Need to wait for another player. Hey, let's go to the city.
No desta vednice Lego Friends Softu. Kino, biokavárna a Andrejn.
Oh, no, Chicky Breaky. Okay. About Russian abandoned weapon silo. The rocket tanks, you know. What looks like more slug? Okay. I need to show the West. I'm the leader. So give it to them. Politics leader. Give it a Russian color. Okay. Okay, completely built a silo. Wait, rotok attack no. This schmuck. Oh fuck. Just go in here. Okay, you want me to use my technique, right? Crash bin. And here you go. Oh, they maybe I'm very smart, but I'm smarter than them. Hide the trash bin. Okay. Kill you here too. Gonna barricade this fast. Barricades. Cause I need that. My silo is dead now. Okay, let's build that. Annually. Okay, I think he's using that technique, but that wouldn't work. Because I have a technique not working. Okay. Oh, how does he get her? Kebab, kebab, dude. Kebab. I can get out of here. Huh? Ah. I'm gonna kill you. Okay, that's maybe all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe button, turn on notification stuff, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.